Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide formulas in Google Sheets spreadsheet. This is particularly useful when you're sharing your spreadsheet with others and want them to see only the results rather than the underlying formulas you've used. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google Sheets files are organized and accessible. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to hide the formulas. Once you've found it, simply click on it to open the file. The spreadsheet will load and you'll be able to see all your data and formulas. Now, if you look at your spreadsheet, you'll notice that the formulas are currently visible in your data. This means anyone viewing the sheet can see exactly how you've calculated your results, which might not always be ideal, especially if you're presenting information to clients or colleagues who only need to see the final values. To hide these formulas, direct your attention to the top menu bar of your Google Sheets interface. Look for the option labeled View and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various viewing options that control what elements are displayed in your spreadsheet. Within this drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Show. Hover over or click on Show, and another submenu will appear with additional visibility settings. In this submenu, you'll find the Formula option. You'll notice it currently has a check mark next to it, indicating that formulas are set to be visible. Go ahead and click on Formula to uncheck it. This action toggles off the formula visibility feature, and there you have it. Now, instead of displaying the formulas themselves, your spreadsheet will only show the calculated values. This gives your spreadsheet a cleaner, more professional appearance and keeps your calculation methods private when sharing with others. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.